Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a hand launch and a hand catch of the Mavic 2. How confident I am? I'm zero confident. I used to do it for my Phantoms, it was super easy, but this is the first time I'm going to attempt. So things might get messy, that's the reason. Safety first. So I've got glasses and I've got a Halloween helmet. We're going to put this Halloween helmet. And now we are ready for a flight. I've got full sleeve shirts, so I should not, even if the drone actually tries to catch up or anything, it will protect my hands for getting slashed, but my fingers are unprotected, didn't bring any gloves for it. So safety is our #1 priority before we begin. Now let's quickly jump in and do a lift off on this. The helmet is all for my young viewers who are watching this. I just couldn't find any helmet out here, because it's Halloween right now. We went to a local store, picked up a Halloween helmet for kids. But there are two ways of launching it. First of all, this method where you grip it. But the problem with this grip is that if you do not release this suddenly, your drone will drift on a side. So we are not going to use this grip. We are going to use the simple grip, which is holding the palm like this, in this way. So what happens is that you can either keep it like this, and you will see that your drone is not catching your fingers or anything, or you can hold it like this. But holding it like this is a little bit tricky because the drone has now movement. So we'll keep it like this. In this way, the drone does not have any movement, and we will do an auto takeoff. But there's one more thing you guys need to consider. The wind direction is this way. So if I keep it like this, the drone might fly back and slash my face off. So I'll be launching the drone like this, keeping my hands like this, and probably on the top. So even if it comes back, I've got a lot of play area to duck. And I think that might be a safer launch for me, at least for my first try. And I'm going to do a palm launch like this by keeping a hand away, and then we'll try to catch this off. Now, do you need to turn off any sensor or anything? This is the thing that's over the internet. Everybody's saying. We are going to check out what happens today. Is that they are saying that you do not need to turn off any sensor. You have to launch the thing, because the infrared sensors will always know your hand, and we'll see how we can land it in our hands. Okay, so let's begin. And we are doing slide to take off. That's it. It was easy. I am happy. That's my first palm launch. Not that hard. Just pushed it, let it go. Oh, was scared a bit. Safety is required. I'm not saying that you need it or anything. I'm just put this because I have a lot of young viewers who are watching this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can do a bit of flights and everything. This is especially used when you're doing it on the boat. But now we are going to do a palm catch of it. So we are going to bring this back, and we are going to see whether we can do a palm catch on this or not. Okay, so I do not think I'll just keep my helmet like this, but you do not need a helmet or anything. It's just for fun. So same stuff. They say that you have to do palm catch, but with this you can flash your wrist. So we are going to use this technique where we will hold it like this. So we bring it to the softer ground. And then we will try to position our hand. So lift off. We are going to do a little bit different way. Actually, I will do it like this. I'll do it like this. and keep your hand at the below. Oh, it will fly away. So this is the thing. So bring it down, and you have to land it like this. That's how you land this. Alrighty guys, so there you go. That's palm launch and palm land of Mavic 2. Now this method which I saw over the internet might not be a very good method, because you have to be sure, because you have to like catch the drone later on, as you saw later on when we were landing. You do not need to turn off any sensor while you're landing it. Just make sure your hands are like this or like this. But if the wind direction is going away, it might slash your hands or anything. So just be careful. I still see that this is a safer way to land, because when you're holding the drone like this, it's much more safe to keep your fingers like this and to hold the drone like this rather than holding it another way, because your arm is a 90-degree angle to the drone, which means that it makes it much more safer. And later on you can catch the drone if you want on another hand or anything once the motors are turned off. Well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to the channel. We'll try to bring you more stuff later on.